This evening is our baby boy's birthday celebration. Hooray! Guys, my boy has turned 2 years and we are so excited that the Lord has protected our baby boy till now and forever. The journey has not been easy. It has been good and tough and challenging, but we still keep going. No, we give God the glory. God has made it possible for us and we are so excited. So this evening I just finished bathing and I put on this outfit that my husband got it for me last 2 years or so. Yeah, last 2 years. So I'm not well dressed, well, like I've not finished it, but I said let me just come here to do quick unboxing that I ordered from SHEIN, and I would like to show you. Especially there are some things that I got it for my baby boy present. His daddy also got some presents for him, so I'm here to share with you guys what I ordered. Here to share with you guys what I ordered from SHEIN. So let's do this unboxing together. First of all, let me open this one and know what is inside. But some of the things are from me, some too were from my husband. I've already given my husband home, so I ordered for the three of us, myself, my baby boy, and my husband. So let's do this together. Kelly, Kel. So first thing, this one is my own. Yeah, I've been wanting to get this shoe, so it was in my cart since last year, and sometimes it will finish, they will update me, I'll go and add it to my cart. So I've gotten this shoe and I love it so much, guys. I can't wait to rock it for you guys to see how beautiful it is. I like the color, I like the back, like the down part is so cute. So this is for me, and this is for baby Kelly, and this is for baby Kel, and this is for my baby boy. Guys, I love this shoe. His daddy has similar one, and he also has similar one, but that one is kind of bigger, a little big than his feet. So this one is so cute. Look at this color. So it's black and white and brown, so it will match with all outfits. So this one, very cute, isn't it? So let me put it here, and this one, let me see what is inside. So I don't know what may be inside. Oh, okay. So this one is Caleb socks, a lot of socks. You see, they are 10 pairs or so. Caleb, baby, come. I got you socks, my love. Come and see your socks. So these are all socks, guys. And this bag, let's see what is inside here. Okay. So this is my baby water bottle. When it comes to removing something like this, I don't have patience. You know, sometimes they will have a proper way, like they have the correct way of opening it. But because I don't have time, I'll open it anyhow and be struggling with it. So this is the water bottle for baby Caleb. I love this bottle because, in fact, we have been buying water bottle like we are buying diapers. He will just be carrying it fine. just be spoiling it in house. So this one is so cute, and you will just press this part, see, so it's cute. I think you will love it. And then the next one is this one, SHEIN kits. I like that thing. So the outfit, I'll be leaving the pictures for you guys to see how it was looking like in the baby or on the baby. Or so this one, I saw it is so cute on that child, and I said it will look good on my baby boy too. So this one, on the picture, they pair it with a black top, and he has black top already. So this is how it looks like. See, and trousers, yeah. And Kelly. So this one is also Kelly sandals. This one is so cute. When I saw it, I said, wow, it will look good on my boy. I like the design. It's not too heavy, and it's good for, like, it's not slippery. I just that I should have sized it up, because I sized it down, and he will wear it, but he will not wear it for long. So I have to order a bigger size, yeah. But aside that, this one, it fits him right now, but as he grows, he can't grow with it. And I think that is all for baby Kelly also, isn't it? No, since I have enough here. So this one is also for baby Kelly. Yeah. So this is the shirt I want to wear him, and I'm making this unboxing because I needed to wear him this shirt today. See this shirt, very cute, isn't it? These people, and their children are very small. This shirt is 2 to 3 years, but see how tiny it is. My boy has turned 2 years today. Today is 11th. My boy has turned 2. But I'm thinking, is it going to fit him? Is it going to be small or what? Because I think it will be small on him. So this is his shirt. So he will match it with this shoe or this cross sandals. It depends. So let's see how we will dress him up. And these are my husband and I, our socks. I ordered plenty socks because the one my husband bought was when we were at our previous state, and we came here, we've been wearing it, and I think it's it's vanishing, because you wash, you will not see one pair, so I have to order more of this. So this is, I like it, it's nice. Okay, and this is my own. This is my own. I don't know whether I should wear this one or. This is so cute, guys, so cute. But there is something inside here that I don't like. The way I hate this type of thing, so I will take it off. Maybe I'll wear this one, or I'll still keep on with this outfit. And the last one is this one. The last one is this bonnet, hair bonnet. I like this color. It seems this color, my sister is having some or similar one also. Yeah, my junior sister is having similar one. So whenever she wears it, I feel like getting some because it looks good on her. So I just went and got some. And the good thing is you can turn the inside and still wear it. So SHEIN, all their products are very good. So guys, check it out and you will love it. Because I've I've been ordering from Shein, and Temu. I like every day if I don't visit that site, I can't sleep. So these are all the things I got for my baby boy. His daddy also got things from Amazon. Happy birthday. So guys, Caleb, don't disturb it.
This one. Then.
Yeah, that color is nice. Yeah. I don't know why he's crying. Is it that someone 2 years and they will be crying? Almost say, hey, it's me, Nina.
Now, let's go. Come away. Come away, let's go eat.
I like this shoe, guys. This shoe is so nice. I will surely get some for my husband because he has one shoe that's, oh God, whenever he wears it. No, not black one. That just see me but also a regular one. Guys, so we are not done. The celebrants, look at him there. He has been, I don't know, he has been crying. He will just stand there and be crying. I don't know whether children too, they don't like aging. Look at my man. How do you feel, baby? Excited, right?
Excited.
Yeah, so this is how my husband is also looking like. Simple. It looks big on me. Very big on me. Guys, I ended up wearing this because we are just in the house and that outfit, it looked big on me. So I ended up wearing this one.
Don't let it fall.
This one, just simple. Because we are just celebrating it in the house and something simple. Because my husband and the baby dress simple. It's getting late, but I wish after this we would just have a family time.
This one. Yeah. Let's take the cake. We're not done yet. This one is here. Okay.
Daddy and son. Ooh. You want to sit on it? How can you sit on it, Caleb? He's sitting on the car. Oh, okay, car's near too. Wow. Ooh. I think you like that motor, no? Ooh. Big than that car, Caleb. Go and build your car. Go and build your house and your car, right? Wow, this is nice. So I need to clear this place, guys. And I'm feeling this. Really?
Yeah. What they bought for, they are like 3 years.
Because that one.
He started organizing it, he will like it.
He will like it.
A lot of people say their boy will just sit on it throughout.
Yeah. Because they will make sure that it will become perfect before they will give it up. Like, you like it? What do you say to Daddy? Say, Daddy, thank you. Caleb? Say, thank you, Daddy.
Okay. You see, it's a house. So, look this.
And arrange it, okay? Say, thank you, Daddy. Car.
This one. Where is the other car?
Aprega boy. Aprega bobobo. Bobobo. Boswe. Boswe. I think as time goes on here, tomorrow is Sunday. I'm dead though.